I'll guide you through how to create ads with AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by defining your product and goal. Decide what you are selling, whether it is a digital product, physical item, or a service. In this case, choose a digital product. Once your product and goal are set, write a prompt to generate your ad script. Use an AI tool like Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude to help you craft the script. Focus on generating a message that is simple, clear, and fits your audience. Once you have the script, take time to polish it. After the script is finalized, move on to creating the visuals. Use Gemini.ai to generate visuals that align with your message. Keep the visuals relevant and engaging. Then, choose suitable background music that matches the ad's tone without clashing with the voiceover. Make sure everything, script, visuals, music, and voiceover, is in sync. Once your ad is complete, upload it to your social media platforms.